as data continues to grow rapidly across hybrid cloud environments. It has become a crucial asset for both individuals and organizations. With increasing digitalization, user privacy is now closely connected to data management practices. Being aware of the risks, consumers have pushed governments to implement stricter data privacy and security regulations to protect personal information. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. India is home to the second largest population of internet users, has followed the global trend of stricter data privacy regulations. The Digital Personal Data Protection, that is DPDP Act, implemented in 2023, places stringent obligations on organizations regarding how they collect, manage, and safeguard personal digital data. This landmark legislation aims to provide individuals with more control over their information and ensure that businesses establish comprehensive privacy and security frameworks. As per the report of PwC, more than 50% of the consumers are not aware of their rights, including the right to give or withdraw consent regarding use of personal data. Nearly half of the consumers think that it is either inappropriate for employers to request for personal details or that the amount of information shared with employers should be limited. Once the DPDP Act is fully enforced, Indian enterprises will be expected to maintain strong data protection practices, making a significant shift towards prioritizing data privacy and security in the country. This act highlights India's growing focus on safeguarding citizens' digital rights and enforcing accountability in how personal data is handled. While some security companies are pushing data loss prevention, that is DLP products, as the solution, these tools alone are not enough to meet the comprehensive needs of the DPDP Act. Businesses must implement holistic data privacy frameworks that include multiple components like consent management, data subject access request, privacy impact assessment, confidential data discovery, confidential data redaction, compliance audit, and data privacy management. The law requires companies to go beyond security tools, fostering a culture of privacy and building strong governance systems to ensure compliance and protect personal data effectively. By bridging this gap, organizations can better safeguard personal data and mitigate potential legal and financial risks. Let's look into today's headlines. Apple is planning to launch new app store dedicated only for gaming. Following the release of iPhone 16 and the introduction of Apple Intelligence, the tech giant is continuing to focus on new software innovations. The Cupertino tech company is reportedly now working on a dedicated gaming app by borrowing elements from both the App Store and Game Center. This new gaming app won't replace Game Center but will integrate smoothly with user profiles and enhance the overall gaming experience. Cyclone Dana to hit Odisha and West Bengal. According to the India Meteorological Department, that is IMD, Cyclone Dana, which has intensified into a severe cyclonic storm with wind speeds likely to reach up to 120 kilometers per hour, is threatening to impact nearly half of Odisha's population, with Bengal expected to witness extremely heavy to very heavy rain today and tomorrow. Heavy rainfall, wind and storm surge will reach the peak during the landfall time, which is between October 24th night and October 25th morning, says IMD official. The IMD has prohibited all marine activities, including fishing in the Bay of Bengal, until the cyclone has passed. In the wake of the impending calamity, flights and trains are suspended in Odisha and Bengal. Bhubaneswar Airport suspends flight operations from 5 p.m. today and Kolkata Airport to halt for 15 hours starting 6 p.m. After Zomato, Swiggy follows suit to hike platform fee to ₹10 per order. Following Zomato, Swiggy has now reportedly increased its platform fee to ₹10 from ₹7 per order on its food delivery service, marking a 43% rise. Swiggy introduced the platform fee in April 2023 with an initial charge of ₹2 per order before increasing it to ₹3 in October, followed by subsequent revisions to ₹5 in April this year and then finally to ₹6 in July. ARM Holdings to cancel Qualcomm chip design license. Amid an ongoing legal battle, ARM Holdings is cancelling an architectural license agreement that allows Qualcomm to use intellectual property to design chips. ARM has given Qualcomm a mandated 60-day notice of the cancellation of the licensing agreement. The contract allowed Qualcomm to create its own chips based on standards owned by ARM. The UK-based ARM sued Qualcomm in 2022 for failing to negotiate a new license. Google Play Store to soon get Download Manager. Google is working on a download manager feature for the Play Store, which will help users keep track of the apps that they have recently downloaded but haven't opened yet. The download manager will appear automatically once the installation of an app has been triggered. Users can now also manage multiple downloads with this feature, allowing them to pause individual apps or move them up or down the priority list. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.